Hey, this JD and FIA. I'm going to show you the 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. We're in key G flat here. 6, 7, 1, 3, 4 can be used anytime you're going from the 6 to the 4 chord. So for instance, if I was playing something like a 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, all right, hit the 6, and then 7, 1, 3, 4. All right, takes me to my 4. All right. So basically, G flat major scale. G flat is my 1, A flat is my 2, B flat is my 3. We're gonna call C flat B for our 4, D flat's our 5, E flat's our 6, F is our 7, and then we're back on 1, G flat. All right, so that start on our 6. Several ways I can play it. All right. Just gonna give you the basic. All right, left hand. Left hand, I'm playing E flat. I'm playing an E flat minor. It's not 7 chord. Left hand, I'm playing E flat, B flat, and E flat. Right hand, I'm just playing a G flat major chord. All right, G flat, A flat, B flat, and D flat. So G flat major adding that 9 right there, and that's gonna give me my 11 in the key of E flat. So that's gonna give me an E flat minor 11 chord. All right, my 6. For my 7, I'm gonna go to F on my left hand, which is my 7th scale degree in G flat. All right, right hand, I'm gonna play a D flat major chord, first inversion. F, A flat, D flat. All right. Next chord, my 1 chord, just very simple. Back to the same chord I played on my E flat here, my 6. Just going back to that same chord. Left hand, I have G flat, D flat. Right hand, G flat, A flat, B flat, and D flat. All right, now I got to get to my 3. My favorite chord to play on that 3. Left hand, B flat and F. Right hand, A flat, D flat, and G flat. All right, but you can play any type of 3 chord there. You can play a 1 chord in your right hand, G flat, A flat, B flat, D flat, over the 3. So you got 6, 7, 1. That's my preferred chord. All right, or you can say 6, 7, 1. Play that chord there. All right, then you got to get to 4. All right. From a 4 chord, then you're gonna play the same 4 chord you would have played before you did progression when you just went from the 6 to the 4. All right, I'm playing a B major 7 chord. All right, B major 9 chord. All right, left hand, B, G flat. Right hand, B flat, D flat, G flat. So I'm playing a G flat major chord, first inversion. All right. Actually, what I'm doing, I'm coming off the D flat and hitting the E flat. So that's the chord, because that E flat is my 3rd. So I have B flat, I'm sorry, B, G flat on my left hand, right hand, B flat, E flat, and G flat, coming off the D flat. All right, so 6, 7, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. You can just play it all. You ain't got to strum it, you know, however you want to. But that can be used to get to from the 6 to the 4. Once again, 1, keeping it simple, to the 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. All right. Play the regular B major chord that time. All right. So yeah, hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.